Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Evan V Fit. My name is Evan, and in today's episode I will be making you guys a blue smoothie bowl. All you're going to need is 5 simple ingredients. I'll leave them listed down below. So if you're ready, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to be making a blue smoothie bowl today. So what you're going to need is a high power blender. What I'm using is a Vitamix. I'm not sure of the model, but I'll leave a description down below of the exact blender I have. I know it's a Vitamix. So for the blue smoothie bowl, you're going to want to start off with some frozen ingredients. So we have 2 frozen bananas. I already cut them up. 1 cup of frozen mango, a half a cup of pineapple, 1 cup of almond milk or any almond milk flavor of your choice, cashew milk or etc. And we have 2 scoops of E3 Live Blue Magic. Now if you don't know what E3 Live Blue Magic is, it has tons of benefits. I'll leave another description down below on E3 Live and all the benefits that it can do for you. Okay, now for the smoothie bowl. Alright, so you're going to want to start off with your cold ingredients first. So you're going to want to put in your bananas, then your mango, then the pineapple, then you're going to want to add your almond milk. So what you're going to do, you're going to want to blend this to a regular consistency, and then you're going to want to add in your E3 Live. You don't want to throw in your E3 Live in right now. Okay, so we're going to start this on speed number 1, and we're going to work our way to 10. And then we're going to throw in this E3 Live. We have a consistent base now. Now we're gonna add in our E3 Live. So snap back on your lid. Again, start off at 1 and go to 10. Okay, we have a blue base. So we're gonna get your bowl, just pour it in there. Look at that blue beautifulness. Just pour it in there. Awesome. Almost spilled it. All right. Now I'm gonna garnish this beautiful thing. This is how simple and fast it is. So I'm gonna put some frozen blueberries, some chia seeds, and some blackberries. Alright guys, that's how simple it was to make a blue smoothie bowl. Please leave a comment down below if you guys tried this recipe out for yourself. I'm curious to know how it turned out for you and how it tastes. Please leave a thumbs up and share this video as well to any friends or family members that could benefit from this video. And also please subscribe to the channel where I leave weekly videos on health and fitness tips and tricks. So once again, Evan here from Evan V Fit, making sure you guys live a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, peace.